European Space Agency has started with a unique biomass mission. Now, this mission is a 5-year mission to understand the forest and the ecosystem. And in the initial launch of 2 months, it has brought out interesting results. So, what is the most important thing is the radar system. It is a P-band radar which is being used to understand the structure. So, forest, foliage, sand, and ice are ones that are studied, and it is believed that it could have a very high penetration power. So the previous version of this, which was Copernicus Sentinel 2, could actually provide information only on the surface layer. However, this ESA biomass mission can provide information on the surface, subsurface, and do a 3D mapping. So it can actually go 5 meters deep in a dry sand and give us a detailed understanding of the structure. Now, the most important thing is it would study comprehensively the regions of South America, Africa, Asia, Oceania, Antarctica, and Arctic. However, North America, Central America, Europe, and some Arctic areas would be excluded to avoid interference with US Department of Space Defense space tracking systems. Now, if we look onto the first few pictures from it, even from the Bolivian desert, the forest cover has gone down by nearly 15% of the forest cover which was there in 2000, and there has been a significant loss. Now, this has been attributed mainly to agriculture and cattle ranching. There have been similar activities which have been seen in various parts of the world. In Sahara Desert in Chad, there have been the penetration which have been seen nearly 5 meters deep in the sand, talking about the hidden groundwater reservoirs. In Indonesia, the topography and the changes in the topography because of the volcanic eruptions have been important. In Antarctica, the ice sheet cover and the movement of ice have been studied. In Africa, the rainforest and how the vegetal growth and a healthy rainforest structure have been seen. In Brazil, again, the topography and the wetlands have been studied. So this model actually helps us to understand the climatic structures, bring in better deforestation monitoring, and help us in resource management. So very important for your upcoming prelims examination, the ESA biomass satellite. The developments under these, we will be covering more interesting topics for you. Stay tuned. Thank you.